Hello everyone, still on vectors. Here is our first problem under dot product. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. We are given some vectors a to e here in their component form, and we're asked to find a dot b, a dot c, d dot e. To find the dot product between a and b, you have to add the product of their corresponding components. So for example, to minimize space, I'm just going to point out, if you want to take a vector a times vector b, multiply the x component first. The x component here is what? 2. The x component there is 3, so you have 2 multiplied by 3. Then you add the sum of the product of their corresponding components. Then 3, that is y coordinate, multiplied by -2. If you simplify, this is going to give us what? 6. This is -6. Together you have 0, which means that the dot product between a and b is 0. What is this telling us? It means that vector a and vector b are perpendicular. Perpendicular. If this is vector a, then this must be vector b, where you have an angle of 90 degrees in between them. So whenever you have two vectors that are perpendicular to each other, then their dot product must be 0. Let's take the second one. This is the first one. The second one, we're asked to find a dot c. A dot c. You take a x component, you multiply by another x component, which is 2 multiplied by 4. You add y. This is going to be 3 times -2. 3 times -2. This is 8, right? But this is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. All right. A dot c is equal to 2. And what does this tell us? It means that the angle between these two vectors is what? It's acute. It is between 0 and 90, though we don't know actually. It is something like this. If this is A, this is C, the angle is not up to 90 degrees. It is between 0 and 90. That is from 0 to 90. From 0 to 90. Then let's take the last one. We have d dot e. These two vectors are in 3-dimensional. You take 1, you multiply it by 2, that is going to give us 2, plus 2 multiplied by 1, that is going to give us 2, 3 multiplied by 3, that is going to give us 9. This and this is 4. Together with this, you have 13. This is also an acute angle between the two vectors. Yes, if the result is negative, it means that the angle between them is obtuse. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. Bye-bye.